she like whines and barks. Especially right beside her ear. Oh, by the way, Shadow leaves you alone, but you don't leave him alone. I was like, I want to go now. I'm bored now. It was fun for a little bit, but now it's boring. Why do we have to stay here? Because we need to get all the action. Shadow. Come on. Okay, Shadow, let's go get you some water. Stay there.